So when we talk about succession and estate planning, estate is everything that we own and everything that we have in our possession. And it's important for us to plan for the estate. Self-acquired property, I am at will and liberty to give it to whoever I want. What's important is for me to have a plan, because if I don't have a plan, law will decide who is going to get how much. The assets are divided in equal parts. If he doesn't leave a will behind, he doesn't do any planning. But does he necessarily want it to be equal parts is the question that we need to answer. And that is where a plan needs to be put in place. So a will requires probate. Will means absolute bequest. Will means the court processes which have to be undergone. So my only suggestion and request to each of you is that please think about these areas. When we are keeping good health, when we are in the right headspace, we should actually plan for this, because otherwise our children are going to run from pillar to post to try and get input and advice. Another tool which is very common is that they think about setting up a trust. These are structures which you set up, that the assets in the trust are outside your estate. The assets in a trust will be as easy to access the next morning as it was the previous night. Another concept is something called a living will. How is a living will different from the will that I spoke about? A living will is a will that kicks in, takes effect when I'm still living, which allows my family to take decision when I'm incapacitated, when I'm on the ventilator, when I am absolutely in a vegetative condition. If a mother or father writes a will and says that many days, and if I don't recover and there is no reversal, there is no hope, you may then decide to take. It just eases that pressure off our kids. Inheritance and inheritance planning world over is given serious importance.
Good afternoon, everyone. Most importantly, we should consider that how is the holding pattern of your assets. Have a simple holding structure. We do undermine this, but we spend a lot of time untangling all of this. So that's why a simple holding pattern, which is easy for your family to access, understand. The second point of consideration is how much should I transition to my family or other members during my life. The other thing which we will have to consider is what life stage our children are. Do they live in India? Do they live overseas? What are the jurisdictional challenges of tax, repatriation, FEMA? Many things come into play. There are situations which families have. We have young children going to have partners. We don't know about relationships, how they're going to pan out. God forbid they get separated, in their jobs they get into liabilities. How can we ring fence them? How can our estate plan ring fence our family members is a thought that we should give. These are the things that we are as actionable, and we should say that, just like Richard Cushing said, plan ahead. It wasn't raining when Noah built the ark. It's a very profound statement, but please do even write a simple will.